Hello YouTube. Let's use IP of specific website domain to grab additional information about that remote system. We're gonna use sockets in this case. Well, every time when you're dealing with networking, you're probably gonna use socket. Okay, so import socket and let's grab IP of Google, primary IP that is facing me. Maybe in your case that will be different. So socket get host by name, and then we will provide just domain name here, and that's pretty much enough. Let's run our script. I mean, it's not even script, 2 lines of code. Funny stuff, funny and simple stuff. Okay, so in this moment that's IP of Google for me. For you that will be probably different. Okay, now let's use this IP to grab additional information, and those additional informations are host name or fully qualified domain name. Well, host name basically in this case, because Google is a big system, and list of aliases and list of backup IP addresses or secondary addresses. So let's go to socket documentation just a second. I want you to realize this fully. The command we're gonna use is gethostbyaddr, which will provide us with triple, so host name, alias list, and IP address list. So host name, primary host name responding to given IP address, alias list that will, I'm almost sure, be empty even in everyone's case. I mean, it depends, but you'll probably run into just empty brackets. And yeah, IP address list is list of IP version 4 and 6 addresses for the same interface on the same host, most likely containing only a single digit. But anyway, we're gonna try. So let's comment this, and we will print result of socket get host by addr, because now we have IP address. And of course, when you are passing this information, put it in the quotes, because this method, this function, needs strings to operate on. And that's pretty much it. So let's run it, and we will be presented with 3 results here. I mean, 1 result of 3 parts. So this is host name, alias list, and IP address. Just as they say in documentation, will probably be one of them. So question is, how did they get this one? Where from? Because Google is big system, as you can see. So you can use also, am I recording? Oh yeah. We will use option socket get FQDN, which means get fully qualified domain name for this specific address. Okay, so let's just copy paste it, and of course that need to be string. So, and now if everything is fine, you will get same result as here. So there you go, F14 228 228 SOF, and that's how you get this part of result. So if you don't like how this report look like, you can transfer command to results. So everything here will be packed in here, and we will then go through it for X in res, we will print that specific X, and that's about it. Simple stuff. Invalid syntax. Oh yeah, leftovers from printing. There you go. Now there is that thing with fully qualified domain name, where when you pass domain, it will return one result, but when you pass IP, it will return another result, especially for big systems. For example, let's copy paste this to, let's actually comment this, and then we will copy paste, because I'm a little bit bored of typing and we don't need this. So let's now print just here, type here Google. Okay, now pay attention. That's SOF 228, and now when you fire up FQDM, get FQDM to Google, let's see what's happening. Oh yeah, I didn't print it. Print res. So 0228, check this out. 0231. Well, that's what's happening when you're dealing with big systems. But anyway, the bottom line was getting results based on IP address. So learning this get host by addr was primary thing to learn in this tutorial. So that's pretty much it. Now you can play around with many IPs that you can grab from list, from textual file, from database, whatever you like. But that's pretty much it. Now you know how to extract those things. There are many more options in socket module, and you will run into them probably over time, but for now we are good. Yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching, for support and subscription, and see you next tutorial.